Good morning, guys. Yeah, still no haircut. It's happening tonight, though. It's going to happen tonight. I'll make sure of it. Let's have a look here. Ready? So, we're on holiday on the Monday. Thank you. So, Monday is obviously... So we can do this. There. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 more days before on holiday. And I said there was probably not going to be another video before we go on holiday. I lied. I've got the one main thing. The main thing that, of course, you need to check before you're on holiday. I need to run my fridges up. I haven't done it for... Actually, the last time I ran my fridges up was the last time I went on holiday. So yeah. See you out there. I am expecting it to be minging inside. And I can't see the two. Alright, got one here. And yeah. It's looking pretty beat up. But this should be the right one for this. Yeah, so put you on this, put you on your legs. I've had a quick look inside and it's not too bad. So let me... Wow, this is stiff. What gets for leaving outside, I suppose. This won't take much to clean up. Done there. Hopefully this is still plugged in. I cannot remember though. Whoa. No, it's not looking like it is. Could have sworn I left that plugged in. Oh no, hold on. No, I know why it's not plugged in. Oh, hold on. I'm looking at the wrong ones here. These here are for that one, I believe. Yeah. So why is that not plugged in? That's right. Jesus Christ. That's right. That's... Let me... Could probably do with taking this apart anyway, to be honest. Look at the state of it. Let me put you do something with that. Right guys, I've just taken it apart. And it's not looking too bad inside. Oh, there's the fuse. Don't know what size fuse that is though. I want to say that's maybe an 8 amp. Don't know if focus on that. So yeah, I think it says 8 amp. I think. So that's fine. What we can do is we can make our own inline fuse like we normally do. But it's not looking really too bad inside. Not as bad as I thought it was going to be anyway. One. Ow. There's 2. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a plug on this. Then that's already got like the inline fuse built in, if that makes sense. So let's move you over here. Well, I won't obviously put the plug on it now, but I will put a plug on it, shall I say. Now I need to see if you can see what I'm doing. So I've already got that made up, which is ideal. Oh crap, I can't remember which one was live and which one wasn't. I want to say the one with the writing on it is the live one. Yeah, it is. Because if you go roughly by this, yeah, you can see which one's longer and which one's not. And obviously that was the fused one there. What is that? Oh, that was crappy. All screwed over. Yes, I haven't put a fuse in it yet because I'm only testing. So let me point you to this bit here. I'll turn that off for the minute, and then probably wire this in. Right, let's see if that's going to work. Nice. And it's not sounding too bad. Kicking out loads of air at the bottom, not that you can see. It's kicking out loads of air at the bottom, which is a good sign. Means that everything's still working as it should in there. How can I prove that to you? Covered the fan up, no blow. Sounds rude, doesn't it? So I'm pushing it towards it, that, and it's blowing it out. If I pull it out, you can see it straightens up. Nice. Oh, nice, nice. So of course, this here is for obviously hot and cold. I don't really know why you'd want it hot. I don't really know that, but you know. So yeah, now I need to see if that gets cold. If it doesn't, then that fridge is no longer any good. Move you there. I need to turn these lights off. Right, so yeah, we'll be back in a minute, or half an hour or so. Right guys, just been under an hour, and I don't like how that's feeling. Maybe anyway. Normally it's warm that's coming out of there. Normally. So let's see what we got chilling wise. Oh yeah, it's cold. It is cold. So what I need to do is, obviously before we get into the car, because we're going to go down Trago Mills first, and then we're gonna go up onto the holiday then. So what I need to do is run it in here, I think, for an hour first, but just because we're just under an hour now, and then go from there. I'm just gonna put you down there, guys, because I need to move stuff up here so I can get this up the way. Actually, let me check back on here again. Check back on here. Oh, probably just zoomed you in there, haven't I? No, okay. Probably not. Like that. This other one is fairly handy because it comes with it already built in. That is not bad now. What is that? So, partner seeing if we can get to the cigarette lighter stuff that's on Amazon Prime. If so, then we're going to order 2 because just moving the other way a minute, guys. I'm going to order 2 because they're cheap, and then it saves me dismantling my shed. Right, you can move it wonky because you're leaning. I really wish this was working. I wonder if it's just too rusty. I guess it's just too rusty. That's fine. I may be able to do something with this. Let me put that down there for a sec. I know you can't see much, guys, and I apologise for that. They may come in handy. No, cigarette nuts, okay. Right, let's try using these. I don't advise you doing this full time. Like, just do it to see if it works. That's it. I may need more than that, actually. I've got my side snips out here. That's it. That's gonna have to do then. There we go. Like that. I'm also going to, because at the moment I've got my battery charger charging up the battery for the what you would call it, for the CCTV. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug both of these in and turn them both on the one battery with only my battery charger on low, charging it up, and see what happens. And we'll get you in for that as well. Right, where's down here. Right. Positive, negative. Negative is always on the outside. I'm going to do something now that I don't want you to look at. Actually, that's it. What? Do one through each. Share the power out. Remember, this is only a temporary thing. Do not be doing this. Like, driving down somewhere. You are asking for a short else. Yeah, I'm happy with that. So what I'll do is now is I'll put that this end. Open that up. Like that. See, it's quite chunky wire. Not enough hands here. Wow, not enough hands, not enough hands. My friend really needs to come and get his stuff. I've got the room for it anymore. Okay, so now let me move you in here like this. Turn that on. Right, positive side, obviously this side. Make sure this stays up out the way now. So kind of like that. Negative connected that side. Like that. Got a ton of stuff that side. Now done there. Connect this one up. Yeah, right, you can see we've got power going to that. You can see the sparks. And you can hear it as well. Now we want this up somewhere so it doesn't touch or try to short out. Like that. Something like that. Although that is very close to very close to that cable. Very close. So we'll do it that way. There you go. Like I said, do not recommend this. So if you bring yourself up from doing this, that's your own bloody fault. I'm just doing this to test and I'm bringing you along with me. So, you can see it is spinning. I don't know if you can hear the air come out of that. So I'm going to put that up there now as well. And then well, I can't hear a drop or anything, so it's obviously working alright. So we've got just the one on it at the moment. Let's I'm going to tweak back on there again. Couple of seconds, guys. So let me bring you down like that, and like that. Switch it on. Put that like that actually. Right, so we're at 12.97. That's with one on. So let me switch the other one on. That's the other one on now. And that's with the battery on slow. That's with the battery charger on slow. So if I hold these together and move it over so it's solar as well. See what happens. Right, that's solar on there as well. You see it's going up. But now I'm not producing anything on my grid tie because I've moved it over on the charging battery. So I'll turn that off, and I'm going to turn this one off. Oh, I'll turn this one off and leave that one on for a minute, and see how she gets on. So that's what we're getting at the moment on this one. So it's 5 amps. 5 amps. And let's see how much sun is on the panels. Five amps with the sun sideways onto the panels. You can see. Not bad. Not bad at all. And on that one grid tie I can have 350 watts on that grid tie. So I can still add a further 150 watts. Because I've only got 200 watts up there at the moment. So I can add a further 150 watts to it. Which, when it's lovely like this and the sun goes right down through, it'll be pucker all day. Hopefully it will be nice the whole time when we're on holiday, so it's so we produce a fair bit of electric and not use much of our own, if that makes sense. That is ours, but if you know what I mean. But yeah, I guess we'll go back out there. It's 11 o'clock now, so I guess we'll go back out there about 12ish. Let's see how it's done. So, see you later. About the same time now, guys. Oh, coming glowing now, look. Oh nice, oh nice. So look, let's have a look at what we're doing here. Oh, we're still bringing in 20. Need 3 amps. Still bringing 20, need 3 amps. Surprised? I'm surprised. Oh, the sun's come back up now. Right, this will be the last one. This will be the last one before holiday now. I need it to go that way. Whoops. Never mind. There's that, guys. Oh yeah, it's cold in there. It's cold in there. So let me put that back on. Come on! Okay. And now, quick look here. So I'm going to turn the other one on now. That one's on now as well. I don't know if you can hear that. We'll see it for that matter. We'll give that an hour. Hopefully that hopefully it doesn't drain down. There we go. Hopefully it doesn't drain down that much. If so, we'll have to switch that off for a minute and have solar on it as well. Because I'm not getting in there. But I haven't had the fan come on today. Haven't had the fan come on. I'm sure it will. Let's see how our plants are doing. I do not want to come on this. It's going to be real slippery. Oh my god. I'm cacking myself. These are looking a bit better now. These were dying because of the heat inside. Not looking too bad. These have been in here for God knows how long. Maybe I should swap these around. I'll have that. Rest of them like that. So yeah. Fun times. Fun times. Now I'll try and get it down yet. I'm alive, it's okay, I made it. Yeah, I need to put the bikes inside the shed because I need them dry so I can make sure everything's working fine there and oil everything up. So what's the time now? It is 10 to 12 and we will go back out there at 10 to 1 and have a look, and then call it there. I'll get this video edited and rendered up, and then call it a day, and then that will be our last video. Definitely, I won't say definitely because you never know, but from what I know, this will be the last video until holiday. So yeah, see you out there. Fans now starting to kick in. Don't know if you can hear it. Probably not gonna do it now, is it? Right, let's see where we're at here. Oh, not too bad. It stayed up. Not too bad. Nice. I've brought a plug out. It's only a knackered one. It will do for 12 volt side of things. Now I need to disconnect that. This one needs disconnecting as well. So it'll short out. I need to get you back on your legs here. Like so. I'm not able to get. Okay, I'm not able to get the sockets, the lighter sockets, in time. So I'm gonna have to put a plug on one and fix the cigarette lighter socket in the car. It's just a blown fuse. That's all. Disconnect that one. So, which one am I looking at here? Which one am I looking at here? This one here. Where are those at? They're in there. I can miss that, guys. There we go. There we go. Right. So that one is the positive. The longer one. I've got the shakes coming as well. Right? Need to eat something. Turn that one off. Oh, these shakes doing my head in. Need to put a fuse in there, which is absolutely fine. No problem there. Got my nan and granddad, I think, coming up later on. Be nice to see them. Haven't seen them in a long while. So I remember how it's wired in in the car. I know that the positive on here, or the live on here, is live in the car, and the earth is the neutral. Oh, he shakes. You need to do one. I seriously need to get some better screwdrivers for out here. Cut off there. Come on. A little bit more. A little bit more. There we go. So our friend that was meant to go on holiday with us is no longer now coming on holiday with us. Because she hasn't got the fuel, even though my friend offered to pay for her fuel. Oh, I'm not going to offer again because it was on and off with her all the time. And I'm not doing it, so... Oh, these shakes. Making this twice as hard. Like that. Now I need to tighten that up, which will hopefully then clamp the cable to stop it being tugged on stuff. Hopefully there's enough of it there. Yeah, pretty good, pretty good. Also, you think you're wondering, like, you know, what happens if you accidentally plug it into the mains? I've got a thing where I can print 12 volt only on it, so don't worry there. Don't worry there. Oh, guess what I've forgotten to do? Put a fuse in there. So let's have a look at my fuses over here. I've only got one. No, I haven't. I've got a few. I've got more than one. We only want like 3 amp. So let's have a look here. We only want one 3 amp one. Like that. Sweet. And let's test that. Let's test it to make sure it is working. So again, we want to go on that one there. You can listen to it. Okay. Hold at one end. Like that. As you can hear, it is a full circuit. Don't know if I can do it like that. Okay, full circuit. These shakes are already starting to do my friggin' head in. Like so. Now I can't remember. I think it was. Let me show up here. I think it was a 13 amp for the plug socket. It makes sense. But I'm going to take a 30, a 10, a 15. Take a 25 as well, just in case, because you never know. You never know. A 20, and we'll leave it as that. It's going to be one of them. Like, when it comes to fuses, guys, when it comes to fuses, if you don't have the correct fuse, hold on. if you don't have the correct fuse for your car, don't go one higher. Do not go one higher. Go lower. So say the cigarette light socket was 15 amp and you had either a 10 or 20. Don't put the 20 in. The wires will not deal with it if that was to pull that through. There's a reason why it was only 15. Go 10. Go below before while you wait to get a new, new fuse stuff. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna leave it there because I have to get down on my knees outside in the car, and I can't bother for that. So, but it needs to do it. So. But yeah, I'll update that on you quickly. But yeah, anyway guys, I'm going to get this edited up, rendered up for you, and then uploaded. And then this should be the last one. This should be the last one. And the next time you see me, I'll have a haircut, and we'll be driving down to holiday. So anyway, thanks ever so much for watching, guys. Hope you guys have a great day, whatever you're doing, or night. I don't know where you're from. And I'll see you next time.